Hi guys, this is Lars Pearson here with MarineMax on Long Beach Island, New Jersey, and this is the brand new Sailfish 276 dual console. I'm standing here on the platform back here. We got a reboarding ladder, twin 200 Mercs on the back of this. Back there on the port side, you do have a cooler, so if you're at the sandbar, you don't want to hop all the way in the boat to grab a beverage. You got a cooler right back there, nice touch. The one thing about Sailfish, they use every space possible. You have storage right under there where the walk-through, many other people wouldn't put some storage in there. Get a nice flip-up back seat. Flips open. Back here on the port, you have a live well. Rod holders across the transom. Nice touch Sailfish does. Not many people do something this nice for their ski pylon. Gets out of the way when you don't need it. As you can see, I'm standing back here. We have all the seats folded up, and you have all this room for fishing. If you do take this boat to the canyon and you catch that nice tuna, you have this nice door here. You can pull it in, or you could use this when you're at the sandbar. Again, guys, this is a dual console, so you have great dual purpose on this boat. Great room for fishing, and then a lot of seating for when you're cruising out with the family, you know, going to restaurants and such. You got a very large T-top up here. You got rod holders on this, some life jacket storage. You have your VHF mounted in this. And what's nice too about this boat, you could get a nice 3-piece enclosure that goes around this. And on a day like today, it's November right now, you could be out there, be nice and warm out striper fishing. Great trolling boat for striper. Show you what I mean by that. You could have someone driving, and then you could be lounging back on this, watching your lines. And this goes all the way down too, to lay down. Storage under both of these. Insulated box. You have a nice removable cooler. Nice little wet bar right here. Sink. Cup holders throughout. Up here at your helm, you got a Garmin display, your Mercury vessel view, your stereo controls, all your switching. Nice Lebrock helm seat. Very comfortable. Now we move here on the port side. You can sit facing all the way forward, which is nice underway. But you do have a massive head. And this actually has in here right now, it's folded up. It's the enclosure that I was speaking about. And a glove box here as well. You know, you have a huge in-floor box right here. Very long, fit a lot of things in there. Wind door, that shuts, this closes, helps that enclosure aspect. Now up here in the bow, you do have quite a large seating area. You can sit multiple people up here lounging out. You know, grab rail for safety, stainless. And there's storage under all these boxes. Nice one here. This actually opens up on this starboard side. Goes all the way under the helm. See how much storage is in there. As well as this side on the port can be used also as a fish box. And there is an in-floor fish box back there. Up here too, you do have a windlass. So you don't have to have someone muscle the anchor around. Again, guys, this has been a walkthrough of the Sailfish 276 dual console. This is a great multi-purpose boat, fun for the family, and you could seriously fish this thing too if you wanted. If you're interested in this boat or any of the boat we have here, give us a call at 609-494-2102. Thank you.